this thing on? Oh, hey.
Hey.
Is this our first parody? And it's the first time my bro is here. My homie. Wait. Damn for the camera. Do it, see. Just do it, see.
No,
do it.
I'm not gonna.
Fine, man. But anyway, it's time for the main attraction. The thing you all been waiting for.
Yep.
To Kill a Mockingbird parody. Am I doing it right? Where's the off button? Where's the off? I can't. So before we begin, okay, here's a bit of a heads up. So we're gonna stick to the main plot of many parts of the series, but the main important thing is we're going to get famous parts of the book that everyone's gonna remember, and maybe some mysterious ones. You'll eventually know them, but for now we need to do this. So get your ham costumes on and get your butts ready, because Miss Caroline and I are gonna spank you because you shamed Cunningham. Let's begin. Starting in April. Wait, could it be Dogzilla? He's gonna destroy my house! Smash the houses! No, not my snacks!
And the dog left.
Well, anyway, let the cringe begin. Right, Mr. Dragon? Dragons.
They paraded Mr. Sam Levy's house one night. But Sam stood on his porch and told them things that had come to a pretty pass. He sold them the very sheets on their backs. Sam made them so ashamed of themselves, they went away.
Mr. Sam Avery. Are you Mr. Sam Avery?
Yes.
Alright, you are a Jew, and we in the Ku Klux Klan hates Jews. Hey, we're gonna hate them so much that we are going to kill you.
Yeah! Well, why don't you go and pick on someone your own size? Besides me, I'm too short. But anyway, what's the point, huh? You scared? You scared to reveal your faces, huh? Which is wrong, but still, you're too scared. You hide in groups. Why? Because you're so scared.
Scared of what?
By hating everyone else. Do you know everyone hates you? At least lynch mobs are at least there are people in lynch mobs that actually care. You on the other side, no one likes you, so you can go die in a fire. Let me use this torch to burn you. Ow! Yes, I'm awesome.
Yeah.
Victory is ours! Yeah!
Alright.
Mockingjay.
Whoa.
Oh no! It's a dog infected with rabies. How come this thing isn't working?
Move aside, doofus!
You are in big trouble. Why could...
Wow, look at this iconic ending. There's only action. Uh-oh.
Yeah, why? I thought I can't really smack your face.
Uh-oh. But I'm Walter Cunningham. Oh no! Ouch! Ow! You big meanie! Ouch! 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 Take this! Uh-oh! Ouch! You big meanie girl! Ah! Oof! Ah!
Did I pick up a dog?
Are you sure you can pay? Are you sure we can not pay you back, Atticus? Why, of course, Mr. Walter. You can, but you need to pay me back somewhere else. Oh, okay. Some bottle caps. Some wasted bananas. A box full of Nerf darts. And some random pixelated shades. A kindergarten laptop. That doesn't work anymore. Oh.
Whatever this way to pay us.
Now with cash. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Sister Scout, how did you think Miss Morty's house got on fire?
Dragon.
What? A dragon? It's Miss Morty's house. What? A dragon? Ah! You know, thinking about it, Scout, that actually makes a kind of a bit sense. Though some disagree.